I really didn't know what I wanted to do after high school, and I thought this would give me a chance to kind of figure it out, and it has. I can certainly say it's a more enjoyable time here than in regular school.
If you want to learn how to make metal parts, aerospace industry, cars, pipe, cinder blocks, anything you can imagine needs to be manufactured, and we'll give you a good base on how that is done.
It's hands-on. You can actually learn stuff you can take with you after high school, like regular English and math class in school. They teach you stuff, but not like stuff to earn you money. So it's kind of a better opportunity for you to earn money and make a living for yourself.
The trades are making a lot more money than a lot of other people going to college. A lot of people go to college, they spend a lot of money. You come out of a program, you take it seriously, you're going to get a job and you're going to move forward. You can apply this to all the trades you can apply this to. I have businesses calling me and asking me for people every year since I've been here. We can make pretty much anything out of metal here, anything you can imagine.
It's nice to be set up after high school and have an idea of where you're going to go, what you're doing. And if I didn't come here, I would still probably not know where I'm going to go. I'd probably have to rush into finding a decent job in this industry, which is what I've always wanted to do. So being here definitely helped me decide that. I would strongly recommend coming here because you can learn real life skills and gives you a good knowing of if you're going to like this or not, because it teaches you like all these different machines, teaches you how to run them, and if you learn well, you'll most likely love to do this for as long as you want.